Welcome back to VMware View Administration Training. Let's go ahead and talk real quick about our course scenario. But before we get into that, let's talk about some of the advantages we have by creating this course scenario. First of all, it allows us to take the information that we learn during the lessons and apply them to real-world situations and problems. The examples we create will be based around a fictitious company, but the problems and situations that we find ourselves in are definitely real-world and ones that I see with customers on a regular basis. Next, we'll be able to provide consistent examples from one lesson to the next, especially when they interrelate with one another. It also allows us to consistently build from one lesson to the next to create a complete view environment that is the same from the beginning to the end. And finally, it provides a purpose for the different demonstrations I'll show you and gives us a better structure for walking through the installation, configuration, and troubleshooting aspects. So now let's talk specifically about the scenario. The company that we'll use is named Home Royal Furniture. They are a high-end furniture reseller, selling multiple different brands at a rather high premium. The company exists on two different sites: a corporate headquarters where most of the employees are located, and a single retail store that consists of multiple levels in multiple different departments and is the main interaction point for our customers. Now, both of these sites are in the same city, but they are separated by 5 miles. The data center itself exists within the headquarters building. This is where all the main infrastructure is located. But there is a small networking closet in the retail store that contains some networking equipment, but no actual servers. And the two sites are interlinked with a 10 megabyte metro area network connection. This provides a reliable and relatively quick interface between the two sites. The employee base for Home Royal Furniture includes the administrative staff, which is a grouping of multiple different departments, like accounting and HR, that have similar requirements for their desktops, and are all located in the headquarters building. This administrative staff may have some unique qualities between them, like printers and applications, but our goal with our VDI environment is to segregate those pieces out so that they don't need to be identified as separate groups. We'll talk about that more in the lessons. We also have some purchasers whose job it is to go around, find new furniture that we can sell in the store, and negotiate a good price to purchase it. These purchasers are based out of the headquarters building, but oftentimes will travel, and sometimes are in areas where there is very little or no network connectivity. The retail sales staff are our main customer contacts in the retail location. These are the people that will help customers determine what type of furniture they'd like to purchase, and then actually complete the transaction. There are also 3 IT staff members, who are all based in the headquarters, but are oftentimes found traveling to the retail store location to fix computer problems and networking equipment. So the challenge that Home Royal Furniture has is a major hardware refresh that's coming up in the next year. They've decided to go forward with a VDI implementation to help ease this hardware refresh process, and also to help reduce the OpEx costs that are generated by maintaining multiple different independent physical desktops across the 2 different sites. They also see advantages in centralizing their equipment and data into their data center, and the security and backup implications that go along with it. And finally, they want to reduce the point of sale space in the retail store, where they can now swap out big PCs that currently take up a lot of space on the checkout counters and replace them with thin clients. So that's a quick look at our scenario. We'll obviously dive deeper into some of these topics as we go through the lessons. This is simply the framework that we'll work within, and we'll flesh out the skeleton as we go along. So I look forward to talking to you in the next lesson.